Hey guys, T here. A while back, I bought these chisels from Harbor Freight. They were $8 for 4 chisels, $2 a chisel. So they've been just sitting around doing nothing because I got some better chisels. Although these weren't too bad, particularly for $2 a chisel. So I'm going to take this 1/2-inch chisel and some old pallet wood, and I'm going to make a shoulder plane. It's pretty easy to make, and you can do it pretty quickly, and it's a way to use a $2 chisel. So, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe. Let's get to work. So we gotta cut all this off. Let's see if I'll cut anything. It gets clogged up. Okay, we can fix that. So we made an adjustment by cutting this hole in here, opening up the throat. I'm hoping that'll keep it from choking. So let's try it again. That helped. I think we're going to just have to clean it out every once in a while. So we're going to smooth it off and put a little sandpaper to it, but it's not bad for a $2 chisel into a shoulder plane. So that's my shoulder plane made out of an old Harbor Freight $2 chisel and some oak pallet wood. Not bad. It's a little bigger than I think I would make it next time. And I need a little bit more of a handle up here to press against. The slope is a little too flat. So I'd bring that up some. But anyway, for a first shot at it, I think it works good. I didn't try it against cross grain though. Let's try that. Well, not bad. It cuts against some soft pine cross grain as any shoulder plane would. So I'm pretty pleased. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Please subscribe. Let's get to work.